Hi everybody, my name is Michelle Bonanno and I'm excited to work with you this summer semester together in Comp 252. I want to use this short video to introduce myself a little bit to you, and then I'm going to ask you to make a similar type of video to introduce yourself to your classmates that you'll be working with this summer semester as well. Again, my name is Michelle Bonanno. I've been teaching here at Fort Lewis since 2004. I was lucky to get a job here right out of graduate school, teaching some composition courses, which is mostly what I've taught since I've been working here over all those years. I first came to Fort Lewis as a student in the late 90s, and I lived in Cooper Hall, and I met my future husband there. He was in the dorm room right next to mine in Cooper, and I really enjoyed my time at Fort Lewis. I came to Durango from a small town just over the hill called Nucla. Some of you might know Nucla. It's really close to Norwood, a little over an hour from Telluride, a couple hours from Grand Junction. It's a couple hours from here, from Durango. A super small community. I came to Durango because I thought that it was far enough from home to be brand new, but close enough to home to feel in my comfort zone. And Durango felt like a big town to me since I was just from Nucla. I had a great time at Fort Lewis. I enjoyed my professors a lot. I majored in psychology and I got a minor in communication. And as I mentioned, I met my husband at Fort Lewis. And when we both graduated, we moved to Las Vegas, Nevada. And I went to UNLV to get my graduate degree in communication. And while I was doing that, my husband was teaching third grade in Las Vegas. We lived there for the time it took me to finish my graduate work, and then we moved back here to Durango in 2004, and that's when I got my job at Fort Lewis. Now we have two kids. Our son is a 7th grader at Mountain Middle School. His name is AJ, and our daughter Mia is a 4th grader at Riverview Elementary School. And we, as a family, like to do outside stuff together. We have a camper that we take out whenever we can. We usually take it to San Diego for a couple weeks every summer and go to the beach a lot. We also have a boat that we take to Lake Powell whenever we can, and also take to some local lakes, McPhee and Navajo as well. And we like to fish and hike and bike and just be outside whenever we can. I also enjoy running. I usually run half marathons. That's my favorite distance. I've run a lot of local half marathons and several in Moab. I also have run a marathon, which I need to do again, so I can actually say I'm a marathoner, but I've done it once. And I also enjoy doing yoga. I like to do hot yoga especially. And then I also like to read and relax with my family and be on the boat as well and camping out. So I'm really looking forward to working with you this semester. This class is one of my very favorites to teach because a lot of it is super practical. You'll do a lot of research and writing in this class that you'll use in all of your other classes and in your professional life as well. So I'm excited to work with you and to get to know you. Welcome to our class.